Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. The 10 question quarantine tag has been floating around YouTube a little bit, and nobody tagged me, but I thought it'd be kind of interesting to go ahead and go through some of the questions and answer them. I basically took a screenshot of the questions, and let's jump right into it. Question number one: how many rolls of teepee do I have at this moment? I have about 23 rolls. I've always kind of been in the habit of I've always been in the habit of just stocking up. I'll buy, you know, if I see them on sale, I'll just grab a pack, even if I don't need it. So when the whole thing went down, all toilet paper was gone, I still had like 3 full, like 9 packs of the double rolls. So I was fine. I even told people, yeah, no problem, I got plenty. I mean, it's like that with, you know, like, I go to Costco a lot, and, you know, I live alone, so, you know, like, I bought some Q-tips, and I got, like, it was like a 3-pack, and they were on sale. I'm like, well, that's really cheap, so I went and grabbed it. Then I got home and I already had one, so I just gave them I gave one to my parents. But it's like that with, you know, bar soap and everything else. It's like, well, they're like $10, so I just grabbed 2. You know, stock up a little bit. So, what has been the biggest change since your lockdown? Honestly, not much, other than losing my job, which is probably, oh, okay, I guess losing my job is the biggest change. I took on a part-time job. So how it was is, I had my job, they cut down a day, and the days I've been working, I've been getting like 6-7 hours, so I thought, well, I better get a second job on the weekends to supplement my income. And then I lost my main job, so I only have the weekend job now, which is why I've been able to get out and film videos more. But, you know, it's going to be short-lived, and I don't know when I'm going to be getting my job back, so it's a little up in the air. Question 3. Where are you currently parked or docked? I still have been home, so my car is either parked out by the road where the campground is, or it's parked in I have a covered carport, so that's where I've been parked. What have you gone without recently? A damn haircut. You really need a haircut. Starting to feel like a hippie. What are you most grateful for? I'm most grateful that no one that I know personally has been affected physically by the virus. So that's one big thing. Well, knock on wood. Let's see. So, what do you miss the most? I miss my parents the most, because I was trying to visit them about every 2 weeks, and I haven't been able to do that. I did see them yesterday because I got a sudden call from a friend who needed help moving a vehicle, so I went over and visited a little bit. But I had some chicken in their fridge I had to cook up, so I had to end up bailing. But I'll probably try to get over there again. How long has it been since you've been at a campsite? Well, I'm actually at one right now. I'm dispersed camping, so it's not really a campsite. So it's, you know, dispersed. I mean, there's no amenities. I have a fire pit that was already here when I got here, but it was really old. And this is actually where I shot my 27-pound loadout video. I've just been doing some things. I shot some other videos today, so since my camera battery, when I turned it on, it was starting to get low. I was like, well, I'll go ahead and shoot this now. Plus, I'm actually starting to pack up to leave, so. Now, what's your favorite quarantine food? Well, that's a no-brainer. It's bacon. But honestly, what I've been eating really hasn't changed at all. I mean, I've been trying to cut back on some of the junky foods, but, you know, I've failed some days because, you know, because I like it, but I've been trying to really be better at it. How are you exercising, doing workouts? Not really, other than getting out here, but and actually I was thinking about it, and it's like, you know, I have all this time to exercise, but I don't belong to a gym, and they'd be closed anyway, so. And my condo doesn't have a workout facility. It has like a, what's it called? A cabana where you can have like parties. But I think at our next HOA meeting, after they fix all the roofs like they're planning on, I might talk to them about changing it to a fitness center. I think they get a lot better, more use out of it. I know I would. Okay, so who am I challenging next? Choose 5. I was gonna challenge tag Mescarat Jim, but he already did it. So I'll just leave it open. I'm not really sure who I'm gonna tag, because you know, if you want to do this, great. Let's hear your answers. I like videos like this because, you know, like, it gives the viewer a little bit, you know, peek inside your personal life more than just watching you do your hobbies. So that's it. I'm not going to tag anybody. So I had a name. Oh, you know what? I could tag Jackie Blanchard. I'll tag her if she wants to do this. It's about all I can think of right now. So, alright, well, thanks for watching. If you do the video, cool. And I'll catch you on the next one.